Hi, my name is Philip, and I teach math, physics, and chemistry. Learning to teach and being a teacher means that it goes in cycles, right? So as I see students that have a certain challenge, I'd look up different techniques. So I'd be learning different techniques as I go along. And this is what really excites me. I would almost say inspires me about working with you is that it's always changing and then I'm always learning as you are learning. So it's a back and forth, it's an interactive process. And that's what really excites me about being a teacher tutor. It's the most exciting part that I can think of. The biggest advice that I would give you is that there's so many different opportunities out there at different levels of skills. So whether you got 70, 80, 90%, whatever in your class, there's so many different opportunities and possibilities where you can learn and be happy with. I think the answer is things are going to work out for you. And it's important to realize that there's more than just one answer in terms of selecting your program and your career plans. It's important to think about that there's more than one way to go in the future. In the big terms of teaching style, it's called progressive. That's the big word for it. I've identified that recently. What we're talking about is collaborating with the student so they can experience the subject in a very progressive way. And that's what works well for so many people for mathematics. So I'm asking questions of the students, helping them to find the answer, but they're the ones who are finding the answer. Learning from mistakes, which, as I have to say, as I always say, making mistakes and getting the answer not correct or different is the best opportunity for learning. So this is where things stand out to the student and to myself in terms of what we've been working on and whether the material has been picked up and how to teach them better. I really appreciate learning from you. And as we go along, that's what makes it the most valuable experience for me.